Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your camera on OBS on your PC is off, like the color correction and stuff like that. This is easy. So you can just go to like your webcam scene. So I see scene. I have a full webcam on here. Go to your video capture device, your webcam, whatever it is. You can double tap on here. Just make sure device webcam C920. Then you want to right click on this and go to filters. Now under here, you want to go down to effect filters. So I already have color correction here. Go to plus, go to color correction. And I don't know if there's anything else in here, but you do have like scaling and aspect ratio. You might use that. Maybe sharpen you'll use too. I'm not sure. We can add sharpen on here. Ooh, okay. You can pop your contrast out a little bit more or whatever, your sharpness. Then we can go to color correction. That's just an option on here. And this gives us the ability to adjust the gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation. Looks like just saturation of 0.02 looks good for me, right about there. So sometimes it is just a little bit too high in gamma, it seems like. So this is kind of how I see it most of the time if I don't adjust it. So I can bring this slider down just a little bit. So I got a little bit more, just more color, like dark, shadowy figures in there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Also, if you're going to be streaming at night or recording at night, you got to take that into consideration too. Like your lighting is going to be changing throughout the day. So if it's really dark, well, you can probably just bump up the gamma in here and boom, you're good. Brightness can be a little bit different than gamma, as you can see. So we can bring this down back to 0. Let's just put 0 in there. And then saturation, hue shift. Oh gosh. I don't need that. Let's just go back to 0. Then opacity, wherever this is. This is going to be how, when it's in the background, it's just going to be less. How do I describe it? You're going to be able to see through it. There we go. Then you got the color added multiplier. So you can just come to this section and start messing around with the stuff and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.